Hello everyone. Today I'm at Rai University with Dr. Sailesh Iyer sir. He is Associate Professor and HOD of Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, School of Engineering and Applied Sciences. Welcome sir. Welcome to the College Dunia portal.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon sir. So on that note, moving on to the next question, moving on to the questionnaire section. Being the HOD of Rai University, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you like to describe your leadership style?
Yeah, the philosophy at Rai University is basically putting students first and improving the institution. So I strongly believe in strengthening the institution. The best way, probably, what I feel is to follow the path that you expect your team to follow. That means, suppose if I am expecting something from my team, I should lead by example. So that is what basically I am following. I am motivating them and basically giving respect, earning respect, and do the best for the university that is possible from my end.
That's very nice, sir. How does the curriculum of Rai University ensures the best practice of the industry, sir?
Yeah, actually, Rai University was formed in 2012 under the State University Act. Now, looking at our requirements, basically we feel that in CSIT in particular, I would like to emphasize, we are having a lot of challenges as far as the curriculum is concerned. So at Rai University, we are constantly upgrading our syllabus every 2 years. That is the maximum period. Before 2 years also, sometimes if possible, we are making minor changes in the syllabus. And the focus is basically on skill development, case study based approach, project-based learning. We are focusing on project-based learning, so the students are getting what they require in the industry, and inculcating positive mindset and corporate etiquettes. We are also focusing upon a program called College to Career Campus program, which is actually focusing upon preparing the student from starting from the college days to how he or she would be performing in the corporate industry. So we are training on the soft skill part, etiquettes, everything related to the knowledge part.
End-to-end placements.
End-to-end placements, yeah.
That's very informative, sir. The education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here in your Rai University? Just give me a light over this.
Yeah, we have seen that. Suppose if I say that if we compare our education system in India with foreign countries, what we find is that our students are burdened a lot with a lot of subjects, etc. And the output is that they are not able to give the outcome as far as when they are reaching the industry. Also, they are not exposed that much to earn while you learn program. So we are focusing upon that aspects that we are finding missing in this at Rai University. We are focusing upon the aspect of, first of all, that we are making the subjects lively. Our faculties are very much in touch with the students. They are making the subject and the topic very easy to understand, and practical exposure is given, which gives them a better edge over their competitive students, and they can perform better in the industry. Also, we are focusing upon a faculty exchange and student exchange program. Under our, we have tie-up with almost 12 international universities. We are MOU with them. So we are focusing upon that aspect, wherein the students and faculty stay over there for a few days or months, and they gain the kind of exposure at the global level, and they can come back and put them into practice. So that is probably what we are following, which is different from other universities.
That's very informative, sir. Any insights into how Rai University could be more welcoming to the student of different race or economic backgrounds?
Yeah, we find that now, earlier it was that the students living around this region used to study over here. Now we are finding that students from other states, from foreign countries are also studying at Rai University. So we are already giving them a cosmopolitan kind of atmosphere, with students from various ethnic backgrounds who are actually already a part of Rai University. As far as student benefits are concerned, we provide scholarships to SC/ST students. Also, the government is providing, we are also providing from our end. Girl students and meritorious students to the tune of around 10 crores. So we are giving that suitable atmosphere where the student is not burdened with the kind of mentality that he or she has to be from a high class family to study at Rai University. So we are catering to all the kind of segments of the population.
That's very informative, sir. On that note, my next question is what do you see as Rai University greatest strength?
It's very difficult to summarize in a few words, but I just try to list some points. First one is industry collaborations or MOU with leading industries. We have a lot of MOUs with leading industries like Red Hat is there. I'm talking about the CSIT. There are various other tie-ups also. AI Robotica, we have signed up with a lot of other companies which are focusing upon providing industry exposure to the students. We are also having tie-up with, if we talk about other streams also, we are having a tie-up with Gujarat Laboratories, Saga Laboratories. We are having a tie-up with various other institutions of repute who can actually be very useful for our placement process. Also, we focus upon job-oriented workshops and academics. So, job-oriented workshops, what I mean is that we are conducting a lot of workshops throughout the year, which actually allow the student to be industry ready, because our focus is upon skill development. Rai University, one more advantage is it's a research driven university. As we already say that we are a research driven university, so our focus is more on research, on research projects, and we are very much active in that front. We have a lush green environment friendly campus, which probably is not available in most of the cities and in the universities. We also have an affluent mix of highly experienced and young enthusiastic faculties. So wherever we find that we need skills, we are focusing upon experience as well as young faculties who can provide the mix of that. We are also providing student-centric approach where we are concentrating upon the overall student development through various cultural clubs, etc. So that is also a very important part. In all this, actually, we should not forget the management part, because the management has been very supportive in providing all this. So I would like to say it in one point as a responsive management. So they are responding to the changes that are required and immediately bringing about the changes without much of a waiting period. So I think so these all strengths are the strengths that would actually make Rai University probably the preferable choice for the students.
That's very nicely summed up, sir. Any suggestions would you like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Yeah, most of the students are already using smartphones.
Yes.
I would just like to tell them be smart. Right? My SMART definition stands for S stands for specific approach, M stands for measurable goals, A stands for adorable personality, because you have to make yourself adorable to the people who are recruiting you, to the people around you. R stands for realistic expectations. Don't keep very high expectations, because that can lead to a lot of problems later. And T stands for being technology savvy. So probably I think they should be smart in the true sense. They should be mentally strong, because what I find right now in the students compared to when we were studying is that they are mentally too weak right now. So mentally they need to be strong. They need to focus upon skills and knowledge, not just getting secure government jobs or such, but they should be focusing upon the knowledge part. I would like to tell them that you are unique, so don't compare yourself with others. Think global, act local. You can become an entrepreneur also, so there is no need for any despair that you're not getting a high profile government job. You can concentrate upon lot of jobs which are available. You can create jobs by being an entrepreneur. They should work hard and play hard. Work hard also, because they should not keep on rather wasting their time on unnecessary things. Last line I would just like to sum up with this particular expectation from the students is Kar lo duniya mukhi mein. The world is your platform, so you can achieve whatever you want.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming on our platform. That's it. This is Dr. Sailesh Iyer, sir, from Associate Professor and HOD, Department of Computer Science and IT, from School of Engineering and Applied Sciences, Rai University. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.